Let's learn about more pandas commands which are used for data exploration. In the previous video we have learned these 6 commands, and now in this video we will learn about these 4 commands: unique and unique, count, value counts. So first of all we will import our pandas library and we will import our data. We are representing our data as df. So to view our data frame we will simply write our data frame name df, and this is our data on which we do the exploration part. So the first command is unique. The unique command is applied on a single column of the data frame. We can't apply it on the whole data frame, and this command is used to show all the unique values of a column. Let's see how. Now the syntax of this command is data frame name and our any column name. Let's see driver gender. So we will write the column name exactly as it is, driver underscore gender, and we will write the command unique and we will run it. So it is showing that it has 2 unique values present in it. The NaN is not a unique value. It is showing that there is a null value also present in the column on some places. So this column driver gender has 2 unique values, M and F. Let's use this command on some another column. We will write df and our column name. Let's see on violation column. Then we will write violation column name and use our command unique. Then it will show the all unique values, more items present in the violation column. So we will run it, and it is showing that it has these unique values present in it: speeding, other, equipment, moving violation, registration plates, seat belt. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 values are unique in this column. NaN is not again a unique value. It is representing that the field is missing there, as we can see here. NaN means not a number. We can't use this command on our whole data frame. It will show error. Let's check df dot unique. If we will run this command, then it will show an error. This is the error. It means that we can use unique commands on our single column only. Alright. Our next command is NUnique. NUnique command can be used on a single column or on the whole data frame, and this command is used to show the total number of unique values column wise. Means how much unique value each column contains. Let's see this, and the syntax of it is, first of all we are applying this command on our whole data frame, which is df and the command and unique. Please remember to write all the commands in lowercase only, and we will run this command, and it is showing that the stop date column has 2651 unique values. Driver gender has 2 unique values, as we saw here, male and female, and violation column has 6 unique values, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and so on. So all the 15 columns are shown here with their number of unique values. Now if we want to check the number of unique values present in one column only, then we will write the command as our data frame name and column name. Let's write the any column name, violation underscore row. This is our column name, and we will write the command and unique and run it. Then it is showing that this column, which is violation row, has 12 unique values, and we can check it from here also. Alright, to view the total number of unique values column wise, we will use the command on our whole data frame, and to view the unique values present in a single column, we will use in one single column like this. Our next command is count. The count command can also be applied on the whole data frame or a single column, and this command is used to show the total number of non-null values column wise if we applied it on the whole data frame. The syntax of this command is df.count. We are applying it on our whole data frame here, and we will run it. It is showing all the 15 columns with their non-null values. It means the driver gender has 61,474 non-null values, and other values are missing in this column. And the column name, country name, all values are missing in this column. As we can see here, country name, it doesn't contain any value. And the stop date and stop time column has no null value. As we can see, there are 65,535 non-null values, which is equal to our number of rows. And similarly, the search type column has 2,475 non-null values, and other values in this column are missing. So we applied this command on our whole data frame. Now we will apply this command on a single column. Let's do it. And the syntax of this command when we applying it on a single column is df and column name. Let's write the search type column. Yes. And the command is count. So it is showing that the search type column has 2479 non-null values. We can match it from here also. So we can apply the count command on our whole data frame or our single column as well. Okay, so next command is our value counts. This is very important command which is used many times in our exploration, and this command is used on only a single column, and we can't use this command on the whole data frame, otherwise it will show an error if we use it on the whole data frame. And the syntax of this command is data frame name, any column name, let's see violation column, this command is used to show all the unique values with their count. Means there are unique values in this column, and it will show the counts that a unique value, how many times a unique value is occurring in the column. Let's see now. Dot value counts. Remember this command, it's value underscore counts. We will run it. It is showing that the violation column has 1 2 3 4 5 6 unique values, and their counts are as shown here. Means the speeding is occurring 37,024 times in the column, the other which is occurring 3,583 times in the column violation, and the seat belt value is occurring 3 times in the column. Alright, Let's see other example. We will apply it on our let's say driver race column. Then we will write df, our column name, driver underscore race dot value counts. Then if we run this command, it will show all the unique values present in driver race column: white, black, Hispanic, Asian, other. And it is showing that the white in the column is occurring 45,747 times. The Asian is occurring 1613 9 times in the column. So this is very useful commands. And as I told you that we can use this command on the whole data frame, it will show an error. Let's see how. If we type our data frame name dot value counts, then it will show an error. So this is the error. It means we can't apply this command on the whole data frame. That's all. We will learn about more commands in our next videos. Thank you.